So we're just currently in Playa del Carmen. We're heading down 5th Avenue and we're heading to Señor Frog for the first time. So we know it's a bit gimmicky, we know it's very touristy, but we thought we'd bring you along and film it as we go just to see what it's actually like. Everybody makes out it's the best place on 5th Avenue. Some people say it's kind of touristy and a bit over, what's the word? Becky, what's the word? Over?
Stimulating.
No.
Subscribe. I didn't know what you said.
Some people basically say it's a little bit over.
Rated.
Rated, that's the word. Thank you, Becky. So we'll see for ourselves. Hello, we have a booking for 5 personas. Eat. Yep, we made a reservation online. Gracias. Can I go on to that one? Because there's a menu.
It's just I've not seen a menu like this before.
He's cute. Señor Frog. Oh, man, your head.
Breathing in.
It is cold in here, isn't it? Such a random concept, isn't it? Oh, that's so cute. Benita. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so cute. Benita. Is that a little bag? That is a little bag. It looks like a camera. Yeah. That is cute. Oh, happy. Oh, it is a bit like a trumpet, isn't it? You actually imagine me turning up wearing that? Or this, the bed. That's actually really cute. Christmas top. That's a cute one. Shame it's too cold to wear it at Christmas home. Oh, gracias. Hasta luego. Well, we loved it. We thought Senor Frog was a really good experience. We really enjoyed it. The girls really enjoyed it. We're now walking down Fifth Avenue with these daffodils on our heads. Had a really good time, didn't we?
Yeah.
What did you think of that, babe?
I thought it was great. I was a bit hesitant when we went in there and it was literally just us.
I don't know if they might no, that's
Yeah. But for kids, it was great. There were little challenges and little games. The food wasn't amazing. It was alright.
Yeah, my food was
That's
cold,
food,
to be honest,
though.
but the experience was good.
Yeah. Nice fun. Nice fun. Really friendly waitress. Excellent service. Yeah, recommend. I got get a nice pie balloon.
I got butterfly.
Everyone's jealous.